Well, hello there, YouTube. Haven't spoke with you kind folks in a bit. Check this beautiful 2018 Oxford Blue Dark Edition. Is that sick or what? With the new LCD display. Lovely new addition to BRP. All the RT Limiteds and F3 Limiteds as well. Very cool, but that's not what we're here for. If you've been following my daily vlog, which I know a lot of you do, but if not, this is a 2018 RnineT vintage. Check that bad boy out. Let's take her for a rip. Just don't stare at it, let's ride it. Now the first one I did, and I rode it on the daily vlog, I put the cowling on it. I left the cowling in the box and put the seat on this one, because we have two of them. I want people to see with and without. With the cowling is just absolutely amazing. I've had it running here a little bit, so, and it's, I don't know, 73 somewhere around there degrees. It's a little loose on the lever for me. I like them all the way out. Oh, maybe not all the way. Go one notch in. Cool. Let's take this bad boy for just. It's going to be a quickie. Just up to the Toyota store, take a loop, and come back. I have to ride them, but I don't have to put a bunch of miles on them, because you wouldn't want a bunch of miles on your bike, would you? I mean, they have to be test ridden. There's a checkoff sheet that says I have to do it. Watch that crazy corner. Cars come flying around there. Oh, and it's windy as heck out there, and I love it. Love when it's windy. Everything gets blustering about, but these things are absolutely amazing. Look at that beauty. Kelly, my wife Kelly, she is absolutely in love with this thing. It's just kind of one of those things that she goes, you just need to keep that thing out of my sight. She hasn't freaked out about a motorcycle in quite a while. And she can actually tippy toe on both feet, but she can touch the ground. And the suspension seems to be set up pretty stiff, even for me. I'm not a small boy. So, you know, and it comes with the tools to soften everything up. And the forks are like, is that just water? Yeah, that's right. Got a car wash over there. Never want to see anything wet on the ground in a turn. Some old truck dumping diesel. Some old hacked out car knocked out a tranny seal, or you guys know. Fluids on the ground from an automobile and motorcycles just do not mix. I wonder if this Toyota store has any clue the advertising, free advertising they get. I roll through here all the time. I'm going to keep this one out of the water if I can. Oh man, I could just see myself. I would just bomb it. This would just be like a Sportster kind of a bike that you would just be out goofing around on all the time. I think we scared that guy. Wasn't sure what all we were doing. Yeah, but I haven't forgot about you guys. In fact, every time I go for a ride, I do a part of a moto vlog as well, but it's not separate enough that I feel comfortable. It's almost like I'm doing, it would be for all the folks that watch the daily vlog, they're going, this is kind of a repeat of what you just did. Yeah, I tried to make it different, but it's not different enough. I just need to do like this to leave with the sole purpose of doing a moto vlog, and that's what we're doing right now. The daily vlog people don't know that we snuck out. I'm gonna do you a little walk around on this thing. Showed you the purdies on it. Let's get some close-ups of this bad boy. Look, see the light little rumble of it? I absolutely love that in these K2X motors. This is a HP4 version of it. This is an engine that was developed for racing. And all these numbers, the scuffing on the numbers, it's different on every one you'll see. Every picture you'll see, they'll be different. Because you can actually feel the number underneath the clear coat, but you don't feel it there. So they've taken the number and scuffed it down. So they're doing these by hand. But look at these beautiful billet foot pegs. And they're adjustable foot brake, billet valve covers, oil fills, spark plug cap, billet V-belt cover, billet master cylinder clutch and brake, nice adjustable billet levers. This thing is a beauty. Lovely, lovely motorcycle. It's got the newer style, it's so bright you probably can't see it, newer style mode switch, your ABS, turn signal, hazards, grip heaters, start or stop and run switch. There's your dash with a little bug added in. There's your adjustable forks. Look at that. Can you see my hand shaking on that? Oh, that's wonderful. The rear shock is also adjustable. It's wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Look at the detail in that little washer that's on there. And the subframe can be removed if you want to do crazy modifications and whatnot to it. Give you just a little pass around here. Incredibly cool headlight as well. I love the BMW logo in the middle there. I love they work as a fender stay and also a protector for the forks. Protect it from rocks flying up and whatnot, road debris. Alright, it's windy out here, but let's push some extra air across this thing. This is an air oil cooled engine, so let's roll out. Oh, well, one thing I didn't show you, comes with a Krapovich exhaust. The muffler is built by a Krapovich. I'm wondering if you could take the caps off and free her up a little bit. It's so wonderful and torquey. The compression braking is amazing. I love a lot of compression braking in a motorcycle. Just short shift and roll on. It's like riding a Harley. But yet you can rev the heck out of it. 8.5 is a standard red line on it. Such a fun motorcycle. I'm sure you guys have seen the Pure, the Scrambler, the Urban GS. Those are all, you know, kind of budget in comparison, I guess you could say. Doesn't have the premium suspension and the premium brake. Well, the brakes are kind of premium, but these are radial brakes, larger diameter disc. She's a sweetheart. What a sweetheart. Alright, double check oil level and stuff on it. Take her upstairs for some lucky new owner. We were only supposed to get one of these. Somehow or another we got two. So, really lucky that we have two of these things sitting here. Man, that's a bike that'll make you lose sleep at night. Alright, thanks for coming along for the little rip on the incredible RnineT vintage. Alright, we're out. See ya.